Hi guys, it's your girl Slay LT and I'm back for another video. And before we get started today, I just want to say thank you for all the supporters that I have on my channel so far, all the subscribers, those who like my comments, all that good stuff. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, turn your notification bell on so you are aware when I do post new videos, and also share with your friends. Like these comments, if it's anything that you want to see me do, go ahead and email me at the email in the description box below. So this is going to be a very small haul. I'm actually doing another haul, so you're probably going to see the same outfit. Listen, I'm trying to get more into like just getting dressed around the house. Come next month, I do plan to be my actual slaying, because I don't really do videos when I go out, but a lot of times I'll do videos, um, of me getting dressed and that sort of thing. But yeah, so this video is going to be a very short video. This is a MAC video. I just actually received this through UPS. I had totally forgot that I ordered this from MAC, but when the UPS guy knocked on my door, I knew I was getting something from Ashley Stewart, which is going to be my next video. But I did not know that I was going to be receiving anything from MAC. I had totally forgot. But I got an alert the other day, and it did come in just a regular container this time. No MAC bags or anything. Of course, MAC always wraps in black. I had got an alert the other day from MAC that the squirt bomb, because I had my intentions were to order it before, but by the time I went to go, I remembered to go order it, they were already sold out. So I was like, okay, cool. So I did get an alert this time that the squirt bomb was back. So I was able to order it this time. The squirt bomb was only $21, which is a lot for some gloss, but from what I've been hearing and a lot of reviews, the squirt bomb is very good for your lips. I have very dry lips sometimes. I do have eczema, which is something I'm going to talk about in some other videos, but I'm trying to keep this video under 5 minutes, so it's going to be really quick. But the squirt bomb, it came in this container, and if you are a MAC buyer, if you're used to buying from MAC, you do know that they do always offer a free gift. If you spend, I think it's like over $20, you get something free, and I opted to get the primer. This is a prep and prime. I believe you can use this on your lip as well as your on your lips as well as your eyes for eyeshadow. And also I know it's weird, but I like to prime my my brows, only because a lot of times when I go out, because I have eczema, a lot of times if I forget to put my shea butter on, or if I didn't wash good with my toner from a previous night that I may have worn makeup, my skin does itch a lot. So I definitely have to cleanse my face. I have to keep it clean, especially after I wear makeup. But so the primer is good for that. It will hold your what am I trying to say? Your brows, your eyeshadow, as well as your lips. So I'm gonna go ahead and just open this box for the primer first. This was my free gift that I got with the purchase of the lip squirt, and it's just a little container. It's radiant pink. So I'm just gonna open it right quick to show you guys what it looks like. Oops, dang, it's flying it all over the place. So it is pink. I don't know if you can see that. It's the color pink. It's just a little container, but all you need is a little bit. So what I do is I just put it on my eyes prior to me putting on eyebrows, or shading my eyebrows and my eyeshadow. And again, you could use it on your lip as well. I'm not going to use it on my lips right now, but just kind of give you an idea. And it basically holds the color for your brows as well as your lips and your eyeshadow. Okay, so the squirt bomb, again, I've been hearing a lot of raves about the squirt bomb. It is in this highlighted green container, super cute, and it's just regular I don't know if you guys have ever seen, how do you turn this? I'm assuming it's the click. Doesn't look like it's going up. Is it going up? Yeah, it is going up. It's coming up a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe if I do that, you can see it a little bit. But it's green. It kind of puts me in the mind of, I don't know if you remember back in the day when people used to use the Mood lipstick. This what this kind of puts me in the mind of. It has like a honey glazed look to it. It actually stings a little bit. It tastes like it might burn. So I've never used the Squirt Bomb before, so we're gonna just use it. M.A.C products are pretty good, so I kind of stand by them. I'm not gonna say 100%. I guess I will come back and do a video to let you guys know how I feel about the Squirt Bomb. Maybe after 2 weeks, because I plan on using this every day. I usually just throw the lip gloss and like things like that. I'll just put it in my purse. Oh my god, I gotta sneeze. I'll just put it in my purse so I'll have it like when I go out. If I go, excuse me guys, I am so sorry. If I go out hanging out with my friends, the girls or whatever, and a lot of times if my lips wear out, some days I just don't even feel like wearing lipstick. So I'll just put on a gloss or, and this actually feels pretty good. It does feel pretty good, but it does have like a tingly feeling. I guess I need to do more research on it to see. Oh, so here's, this is what it says for the Squirt Bomb. It says, you may experience a slight to intense tingle. Apply only within the lips perimeter. If applied to skin, a temporary redness may occur. If any discomfort is present, remove and discontinue use. Keep away from children, obviously. You don't want kids just kind of putting this all over. But yeah, so now that it's saying that, I am feeling a little bit of tingling like around my lips. Hopefully it does not turn red. I'm going to have to do some more research on it to see exactly what this thing is supposed to do. What's the purpose of it? Does it plump your lip up? God knows. I have huge lips, so I'm not trying to have it be that big. So hopefully it's only good for like I guess healing, lip healing maybe. It's balm, so I'm assuming it has some type of medicine additive to it to make you maybe for situations like I have, dry lips, eczema, that sort of thing. But yeah, so far it's still tingling. I can feel it. It feels like it may be like a lip plumper. That's what I'm thinking it may be. Yeah. But as you heard me sneeze earlier. This is a little bit off subject, but listen, I know when March is like peaking at the cusp because my allergies start just acting crazy. Today is very warm. It is February the 23rd. It's like, I'm feeling like, why am I so, like, I feel like I just want to sneeze like 1,000 times. I was sneezing earlier too. So I definitely have my box of Kleenex right next to me. I've been just kind of, this year, I told myself this year I'm going to try to eat more salads, and that's another thing in another video, but I'm trying to like cleanse my body. I just feel like my body just needs like a good cleanse. Aside from the weight loss thing, I feel like I just need to like really just work on cleansing my body and losing weight and trying to like get everything just clean those pipes out. But yeah, so that's pretty much it, and it's still tingling. So I'm gonna give you guys another review of this lip balm. I'm gonna end the video for now because again I'm gonna come back with another video with Ashley Stewart. Just a small haul that I have from them. I said I wasn't gonna purchase anything from Ashley Stewart for a while because I feel like I really need to go into the store to see how their clothes are constructed. Although I've purchased many things from Ashley Stewart before, I just feel like their clothes sizes are changing for some reason. A 14 isn't what a 14 used to be. So I think what I'm going to do is one of these weekends, I'm just going to go to the store and kind of get a feel for what they're doing. Because a lot of times these labeled stores like Ashley Stewart, Lane Bryant, their sizes kind of change throughout the year. So 14 on a person that looks like they're probably a 16. And again, I don't base that off of a look, but I just feel like with Ashley Stewart, the sizes are changing. It could just be me, but we're going to see in a minute when I open this bag. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. Again, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Like this video if you like this video. Thumbs up. Comment. All comments, good or bad, indifferent, whatever. If it's something you would like to see me do or haul that you would like to see me try, go ahead and email me at the email address in the drop box below. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. Always remember to be awesome, do awesome things, and I will see you guys in the next video. Talk to you later. Bye.